Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our 2024 Yamaha SX195. 19-foot boat. It's the 195, so it does have the supercharged high output motor in it. We're going to show you the outside of this boat. Because it's the SX, it comes with the bimini top, trailer around the back here, which is nice. It has the C decking on the back, so nice area to hang out and sit. You got your steep tow bar there, and then the nice ladder up in. And then we're going to take you and show you the inside of the boat. Okay, now we're inside the boat. This has the really nice marine snap-in flooring. And for a 19-foot boat, it actually has pretty good space in this bow up here, and you got some speakers up there, storage under all the seats, storage under both the helm and on the co-captain side over here. Do a nice job with the fit and finish, C-deck on the dash, glove box holder, and co-captain's chair. And then you got the playpen seating here in the back with your speakers. And then on the helm, you got your captain's chair, you got your stereo controls, Bluetooth, phone holder, and then we have the 5-inch display screen there. So awesome boat, great cruising boat, water sports, SX195 with the big motor. Come on and check it out at MarineMax. It'll also be on our website, or you can call us at 864-236-9005. Thanks.